If your beats and 808 sounds boring, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you guys a new plugin, brand new, out now. So let's just dive right into it. It's super fire in my opinion. This video is going to be full with gems, full with tricks, full with super fire beat making sessions. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can just work with me and follow along. That way you also learn the most out of it. So right here, I'm going to open up Contact. Why not? It's been a minute since I opened up Contact. What is your favorite plugin, by the way? Comment down below. Just let me know down below what your favorite plugin is. I think I'm going to make something dark today. I'm feeling like in that type of mood because Future dropped this album. Super fire. South of France is one of my favorite songs on the album. So right here already, I want to go like... That already sounds super dark. This is really like some Future type stuff. So I like to record this in. I like to record most of the melodies that I make, so that way I'm really like inside of the beat, inside of the session, instead of just like clicking everything in. So type shit. Future. Bro, I can already hear the drums. Just like add some bottom notes in there as well. So we'll just go something repetitive like this. Copy that over, and then I want to go that's bouncy. Let's just record a top melody over it. Like I said, it's like more natural, more flowing when I'm like using the keyboard on my computer to like play all the notes together. So right now we'll add that in there. Let's just add a counter melody to this. Let's route that to the mixer immediately. I'm pressing Command L to do that. Yeah, this sounds fire. So right here, what I'm doing is just copying over the chords from here. What I'm gonna do is do it like this. Create a lot of tension in here. Okay, I like this. There's one plugin I already want to add, which is, this is a solid plugin, bro. Alright. I love this. Let's add some Portal to this. Hey! Add some VHS to this. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. What it needs right now is like a hit. Something like some shit like that. I'm going to open up Serum for this. Find like a good preset in here. Oh, wait. Let's add the recent here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're cooking. We're cooking. Just listen. Just listen. Ooh. just added these bells from Expand in there. Super, it's just perfect for this. And then I'm going to, last but not least, add this brass sound. It's insane, super fire. I'm speechless. This is one of my favorite melodies on the channel. Like, make sure to go check out the other videos on the channel. Super fun to watch, especially this one. But I feel like the bass doesn't fit the melody that well, so I'm going to mute it right here, and I'm going to open up 808 Machine. 808 Machine is a brand new plugin from Unison that instantly generates unique 808 samples with the power of AI. You heard it right. I would never show you guys a plugin that I don't stand by, and this is genuinely fire. That's what I'm just saying. It's like you guys gotta check it out. The link is in the description for this. But it's easy to use, it's simple, and it's fun to use. It's just something different to switch up your workflow. But again, the great thing about this plugin is that it just generates 808 samples from scratch, from out of nowhere, using AI, and then boom, you have your 808 sample. All you got to do right here is just let the octopus generate. Already it just sounds super fire. Even the interface just looks super solid, bro. Like, look at this, it's just crazy. It has a built-in side chaining and gliding. Also, if you find like a nice preset that you have, you can save that as well, which is also a good feature, and it's fully customizable with 5 different generation styles. And all you got to do is just drag and drop or export it to your computer to use it, and then you have it right here. And then do your usual thing. Make this imprinted, I swear guys, this is imprinted in my brain, this little envelope thing for the volume. If you're not satisfied with that, just press it again and it'll generate a new 808 for you. Even that sounds crazy. That shit go crazy, ain't gonna lie. I can definitely hear Future just going insane on this. Last but not least, we need another bass line for the bridge. So let's just maybe go for something clean again, because the beat is already aggressive and nah, this is not what we want. Yeah, I like this. Drag down the kick on this to make it more of like a sub bass. Got some noise in there. It's almost like a Reese bass. Whew. that's the one we need. So I'm going to copy over the 808 pattern from the previous bass and paste that onto here. What I'm going to do is delete these notes right here, all of them. We don't need it. What the fucking crazy. Sorry I'm cussing so much, but this beat is making me aggressive. I just wanna go crazy on this, cause look what we made. I love this. I can definitely hear Future on this beat. I love how it turned out. And also shout out to Unison for this plugin. The bass just came out super clean. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to go follow my Instagram at @SkanaBeats and TikTok SkanaBeats as well. All the sounds and plugins and stuff that I'm using is in the link in the description down below, so feel free to go check that out. Also, the new plugin from Unison is out now, so make sure to go check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and if you made it to the end, fucking love you. Thank you. Let's just go crazy. See you guys in the next video. Peace.